Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Log In. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can video call on Grindr. Keep watching the video till the end. To video call on Grindr, firstly go ahead and open up your Grindr application. Make sure that you're logged into your account and the home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. Tap on the message icon at the bottom of the page. Now select a person that you want to call and tap on it. Click on the camera icon at the bottom of the page. From the pop-up option, click on video. This is how you can video call on Grindr application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.